All right, so there's a couple ways to add a list, and we're going to go ahead and upload a list to target on Google Ads using remarketing. So it could be customer lists, it could be YouTube visitors. You'll see here, you go into Audience Manager, go into Tools, Audience Manager, and then hit the blue plus sign. Once you hit the blue plus sign, you can do website visitors, app users, YouTube users. So if you got a big following, you can retarget them. Maybe you have an offer. Customer list, Google Analytics, lead form segment, or a custom combination. I'm going to do a customer list, and then I'm going to upload a file manually. I'm going to hit continue. It's just going to be this is a restaurant customer prospect list, and there's over 5,000 contacts. And then we're just going to put qualified leads, and then we're going to upload, and we're going to take this CSV file. So I've already saved it as a CSV. I'm going to upload it here, and we'll map the fields correctly. Now we only have the two, so we're going to make a copy of the copy just to show you that there's a bunch of ways to do this. Go back up here, get the copy of the copy. Now we should not see all those extra cells that okay, great. So again, phone number, email address, all in the columns, and then we're uploading a bunch and where they'll do a match rate. So unfortunately the match rate looks pretty low, so we might not even match enough, but 20%, if we can get closer to 30%, we might have at least 1,000. So another way to do this is go through and do your email vary, and so use email verification tools, check your list, make sure it's really good depending on where it's coming from. So we're going to try it, and we're going to rename it because it's basically going to be about 1,000 people, restaurants, qualified leads. And then once it's populated, you can basically take it here and you can add to an existing campaign. So if you have one of those search campaigns on or anything that allows it, you can add those to the campaign. That's it. That's how you add a list under Audience Manager, under Tools, inside of ads.google.com. Hope that helps. Just tap the subscribe button because I'm going to put out a lot more content about helping small business owners and agencies step up their game.